The heavy rainfall across multiple areas in Baden-Württemberg resulted in significant damage. Bisingen experienced severe flooding after a potent thunderstorm on Thursday evening. A comprehensive rescue operation engaging 250 responders from the fire department, Red Cross, and DLRG was swiftly executed. Efforts included the pumping out of inundated stores and basements, as well as the clearance of flooded streets. Currently, the community is evaluating the scale of the damage and commencing recovery endeavors.